What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Overwatch throwover saddlebags. Whether you're road tripping or on your daily commute, these throwover bags are designed to be easily installed or removed from your motorcycle and can be zipped off their yoke to carry away with convenient built-in handles. The Overwatch saddlebags are constructed from 1680 denier, UV stable, PVC backed nylon and have roll-top waterproof liners to protect your gear from the weather. The adjustable yoke fits below or over the passenger seat and the zippers on each side of the yoke make it easy to release the bags for convenient carrying. The interior of each bag lid features a zippered pocket to hold your small items, while the exterior has a laser cut molly system to provide mounting options for straps, bungees or carabiners to secure your gear externally. With a capacity of 700 cubic inches per bag and a 6-pound load rating, the Overwatch throwover saddlebags are the perfect addition to your motorcycle. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.